Audi's shapely Sportback attains peak performance in RS5 guise, which is powered by a 444 horsepower twin-turbo V6 and also stands above the 349 horsepower S5 Sportback as well as the 4-cylinder A5 variant. The Sportback classification is your tip that this 4-door doesn't come with a sedan's trunk but with a hatchback rather. The added doors and that versatile hatch give this RS5 a greater procedure of usefulness contrasted to the RS5 2-door sports car, a design we review independently. Either RS5 sets its high-strung V6 solely with an 8-speed automatic and all-wheel drive. The RS5 delivers even more cornering expertise as well as accelerative drive than its minimal stablemates, but its driving disposition can be extra clinical than including, particularly compared to max performance 4 doors from BMW as well as Alfa Romeo. The competitor's package that got here last year, however, goes some means towards addressing that deficiency. The RS5's conventional equipment listing grows to include adaptive cruise control, energetic lane aid, as well as park assist. Carbon ceramic brakes, formerly included with the competitor's design, are currently unavailable, however. The optional navigation system includes traffic sign recognition in addition to 6 months of Audi Attach and also, which incorporates outside apps into the multimedia user interface. Progressive red metal changes Tango red metal, otherwise the shade options stay the exact same. The competitor's version, in fact an alternative package, now commands a $10,300 upcharge, considerably less than it did in 2014. At that price, we're encouraged. The competitor's model is much more entailing than the basic version, even if the additional scratch does not obtain you a bump in horsepower. It does have a more singing engine note, thanks to its sport exhaust system, also offered separately, as well as reduced audio deadening. The plan also ups participation with sporting activity direct guiding, and its firmer suspension provides manual ride height adjustment. We'd also spring for the RS Driver Help Bundle, $1,500, in order to net the head-up display screen as well as surround view electronic camera system, and for $500 we'd include blind spot surveillance, Audi's Side Assist Bundle. The RS5 Sportback sole engine option is a twin-turbo 2.9-liter V6 that makes 444 horsepower and also 443 pound-feet of torque. It coupled with a paddle-shifted 8-speed transmission that transmits that torque to all 4 wheels. Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system not just makes best use of grip, however likewise can route a lot more torque to the back wheels when needed. Our very first drive disclosed that the car is secure at autobahn rates as well as a hoot to rush around corners, with well-controlled body movements as well as predictable handling. The adaptive dampers supply a smooth trip in all yet the sportiest dynamic setup. We additionally checked the RS5 Sportback at the track, where it hit 60 miles per hour.